Good morning from Cape Town. I'm just having a cup of tea this morning while I'm waiting for Marcus to get out of his conferences. And then we're just going to head out. Well, we were supposed to go to Seal Island today to see some seals, but that got canceled because of the weather and choppy seas. So I guess they don't want people throwing up all over. So we're going to some botanical garden. So we're going to see some flora and fauna today. And other than that, we're just going to hang out and check the sights out of Cape Town. Good afternoon. I'm here at Kirstenbosch, which is a botanical gardens. And right now we're learning about a lot of proteas. So I'll have a lot of pictures of them. And it's going to be fun. So this whole part of the garden is for people to touch, smell, and to see if they... And what it is very pungent things. There's one here, the boot shoe, that kind of stinks like bad beer, but it kind of smells good after a while. It's the boot shoe. And that's good. Now here's another one. Up here, it's the rough. And let me just say, it stinks. This stinks. And the flowers are pollinated by flies. So there you go. All right, so we're out of the smell.
Integrate. This is the Helichrysum, this one.
So here we go. This is a plant that they use to stuff mattresses with. So it's extremely soft.
And this is that's the koi with the mattress on it.
And this is icky. It smells so bad, like a strong curry. Ugh, I'm getting sick just smelling it. Okay, so right now, guys, we're on the boomslang walkway, which the boomslang is the most venomous snake in South Africa, but we are assured that there's none here, but we'll see. So, and it's shaking as we're walking.
Don't worry about that.
We don't worry about that.
No, that's part of the fun.
Yep. And I love this kind of stuff, guys, so. Another one.